and I really like both of them.
I really like the fact that the aftertaste is of the puff rice, so it really blends. So like it's not very chocolatey, so like it soothes down the over sweetness of the chocolate.
The unique taste of the chocolate is in the fact that it's not too sweet, and anytime it starts seeming very sugary and sweet.
Fabelle celebrated Independence Day for 3 days with a great cause, and this money will go to Make a Wish Foundation.
ITC is doing really a good work helping with this noble cause of Fabelle. A really good idea, unique idea. It shows like specific taste of parts of India, so it's really good one.
The whole sales to the NGO Make a Wish, I think it's a fantastic idea because chocolates are linked to happiness, and there's no bigger happiness than spending your money on charity. So it's a great initiative by ITC.
It's a really good infusion because it's like sweet with a little bit of healthy things mixed with it.
This is actually a very wonderful idea because not only I am getting a very yummy dessert which I really like for a while, and at the same time I am contributing to something. That whole feeling just adds to the whole essence of Independence Day as well.